Hi, I'm professional organizer Amanda Leblanc, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of one of my clients' closets. When this particular client contacted us, she had a large master closet space, but it was being underutilized. So when we came in, we saw that there was one stationary shelf that wrapped around, and she needed really a lot more space and a lot more customization. One of the easiest ways to maximize the storage in your closet is to go from single hang to double hang. So many of us have shorter items that don't require 60 inches of hang space, but that's what they give us. So we brought in Freedom Rail to be able to give her the double hang that she needed and immediately doubled the amount of storage she had in the closet. In addition to doubling the amount of storage she had for hanging items, we were also able to bring in shelving to accommodate folded items, as well as those items being stored in a dresser in her bedroom, which then freed that space up as well. So many times when we walk into a closet, we see piles of shoes on the floor. Bringing in Freedom Rail adjustable shelving allowed us to get those shoes off the floor and make them visible so the client can see exactly what they have. Placing those shoes in close proximity to her clothing allows her to create outfits with ease. So in addition to giving her as much double hang as we could fit in the space, we also wanted to accommodate some of those long hang dresses. The great thing about the Freedom Rail product is we were able to assess just how much height she needs and really customize it by dropping that shelf down so that her dresses fit, but she still utilized the space over it to accommodate purses and accessories. When clients are designing their closet, we really want them to think about what their needs are so that we can customize the solution around them. And that's exactly what we did in this space with bringing in shelving for a client who frequently travels and needed to have toiletries and travel bags accessible to her to make packing a lot easier. If you're ready to organize your closet, visit organizeliving.com.